welcome to my video. If this is your first time, I am Robin Kay, a Chalk Couture independent designer, and welcome. If not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on this Welcome to Our Home transfer. It is the February Club Couture transfer. It's a B-size transfer, and you get 3, if you are a club member, you get 3 packets of paste with it. If you want more information on this, the club, the link below will take you to my website, and there's a link there that will tell you more about it. And today I'm going to be using this board I got from Walmart. I like this transfer because it is very versatile and you can use it in different ways. I'm going to be making this for my home, and so I'm kind of personalizing with colors that I want. My house is like browns and blues, and so I'm gonna be using this Midnight Sky, which is now Cadet, similar to the Cadet they have now, and they no longer sell this one. Forget Me Not, it was an in vogue color from last year. Green Envy, which is now Meadow, and Peony. So let's get started. I like the way this turned out. Finished project. And if you want to know any information on this, please like, subscribe to my video, click on the link below. Like I said, there's a new catalog out, there's a new website, any information that you might want if you want to join the club. Click on there and it will give you that information. Thank you for watching my video, and hope you have an awesome day.